All Manipur Petroleum Products Transporters Association (AMPPTA) and All Manipur Petroleum Products Drivers Association (AMPPDA) jointly condemned the incident of the alleged attack on oil tankers today along National Highway 37. The associations demanded state government tighten security covers for truck drivers plying along national highways. After an unfortunate incident of an armed attack on oil tankers at Tole near Kaimai along National Highway 37, the above organizations met with Chief Minister N. Biren Singh measures that escort trucks plying along the national highway. President of All Manipur Petroleum Product Transporter Association, A. Tampayai, said that the alleged attack on oil tankers by armed miscreants is very unfortunate. The incident was led to injure 2 drivers and damage 5 vehicles. He continued and said that security protection has been reduced as many left for election duty. Taking this opportunity of security lapses, the attack was carried out. As a response to their meetings, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh assured more security protection. It is to be mentioned here that after the incident of the attack, people lined up at the oil pump for panic buying. This comes after armed miscreants reportedly attacked an oil tanker and an LPG tanker today along National Highway 37 near Tolen in Kaimai, Manipur. The assault resulted in injuries to 1 truck driver and damage to at least 3 tankers. The incident took place approximately at 10:30 a.m., targeting the oil tankers. The attack resulted in significant damage, with at least 3 tankers bearing the brunt of the assault.